Hey y'all, we starting filming late today because by the time you see this, it will have been past. But today is the first anniversary of Jamie Deen's chicken box. Eddie and I went down there and I took Jamie a cupcake and sang happy birthday to he in the chicken box. And I brought me a plate home, and I'm telling y'all what, that food is so good. So good. But anyway, I was just standing up here thinking about things that I feel like my memory is real bad. And Teresa just said, your memory is not bad. Well, it remembers stupid stuff. You know, stuff that's not life altering.
Like this recipe.
Like this recipe, yes, and where it came from. My neighbor gave it to me in 1974. Her name was Marion. Yeah, because she had the male name and he had the woman's name. But I can't remember what his name was. But it was Marion, sweet little red-headed woman, gave me this recipe in 1974. She brought me the pie over, and I thought it was so good. So she shared the recipe with me. And not only is it good, y'all, it's easy. And you can make this year-round. I've been doing a lot of things with blueberries just in the last week or so. So I'm just going to put this down into my pie plate. And I like using the refrigerated because I can use my own dishes. And it looks like it's like homemade. You know, and I kind of like that. Because even though those tin pan ones, they're delicious, but they sure do give you away. They scream, I'm frozen. And you don't have to do anything fancy with this. You know, if you want to take the time to roll your dough out thinner, so you'll have some to overlap and turn under, you can do that. But I am so not worried about this thing looking like a magazine picture.
That goes, oh, we're going to put that in the oven.
Yes, first. No, we're going to roll out the pie crust, pressing into the bottom and up sides, fold edges under and crimp. Lightly press nuts into the bottom of the prepared crust.
Look at you. She read directions and I did not.
She thought I didn't remember that. So there you go. And to me, I told Marion, I said, the nuts just make this pie. So you just want to press them down into your pie crust. And I don't even think you need to use pie weights with this, because those nuts are going to, I think, hold that down. So in the oven it goes for about 8 minutes, 350. Okay, so y'all, our pie crust is in the oven. I'm going to make our filling now, which is so simple. It's like 3 ounces of cream cheese. I may have 4. You know, I didn't know that they quit making 3-ounce packages of cream cheese. I didn't know that because I always buy 8 anyway, an 8-ounce. But so I'm going to add our powdered sugar to our cream cheese. Okay, so we're just going to beat this until it's incorporated. And when our pie crust comes out, we're going to have to let it cool because the cream cheese filling goes directly onto the crust. So we'll have to let it cool for a minute, but this will be ready. This will be ready and waiting on that pie. Our pie crust is out of the oven. Ouch. It's hot. So this has to cool. Look who came in just in time to help me with this pie. Our grandson, Henry Reed. Henry was sick a couple of weeks ago, but you're better now, aren't you?
Yes, ma'am.
He's got a baseball game tonight, and you're going to start out pitching.
Yes, ma'am.
That's my boy. That's my boy. All right, you want to do something for your old grandma?
Sure.
Okay. I would like for you to fold our cream cheese. Remember, we beat our cream cheese with a little bit of sugar. So just fold that in. And you know when I say fold, Henry,
Yes, ma'am.
you
Put
know
the whipped
you
cream around
fold,
it.
you kind of fold. So we're just going to spread this evenly over that layer of crust and nuts. Isn't that good? Okay, there you go. Now you can. I do too.
Best thing in the world.
Yes, it is. I've got to clean this off a little bit. And now, even though it's blueberry season, I'm going to take advantage of the blueberry pie filling. And we're just going to put this on top.
Yummy.
Kind of even that out. Yum. This looks delicious, doesn't it? Henry, I don't think we even gonna have to wash that bowl. You leave that
Probably
thing
not.
clean. I mean clean. That crust is so crusty.
That's the best part.
With those nuts on top. I probably should have put this in the refrigerator, y'all, and let it get hard again. Or firm. Not gonna get hard, but just firm.
Oh yeah, taste it.
Yes, we're gonna taste it, honey. So get your fork ready. Look at that.
Wow.
Doesn't that look good? And it doesn't get any easier than that, y'all. Okay, Henry, you gonna make me take the first bite? Dig in, baby. And bon appetit. That's means let's eat. Here, baby.
I think it was cut and he was being dramatic.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
What you say?
It's really good.
Isn't that yummy?
Mm.
Paula, I'm gonna help you out. Wipe
So
your
what?
Chin.
Wipe my chin. What's on it?
A little blueberry.
My tongue won't reach it, will it? I'm not like Gene Simmons. I can't reach that with my tongue. So let's tell all our friends out there that we send them love and best dishes, and we hope they have a wonderful Memorial Day.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.